All right, welcome back. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I am going to make a challenge to you, yes, you, the viewer, and my YouTube community, all 27,000 of you, to do something incredible, and that's raise a whole heck of a lot of money for cancer. But before I get into all the details and tell you all the cool things you can get by helping me, I want you to do one more thing for me. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and please hit that like button so more people like you can see this video. Yes, I want this to be the most viral video I have ever done. So if you can comment, if you can like it, if you can share it with people you know, please go ahead and do that because we want to see exactly how much damage, and when I say damage, I mean the good kind of damage we can do for cancer. Okay, so here's the deal. If you've watched this channel for any length of time, you've heard me talk about my why, which is to inspire people to thrive financially and give. And we talk a lot on this channel about the thriving financially piece, but we don't talk as much about the give piece. So this is where, after basically 6 years of doing this, 6 years of trying to give the best possible information I can give on YouTube about mortgages and real estate and finance, I'm gonna ask for a little favor. And basically my friends and I have this group, it's called the One Aim Cycling Team, and what we do is every year we get together, we raise a whole bunch of money for cancer, and we ride 200 kilometers, 100 kilometers each day for 2 days in order to raise as much money as possible. Now, I'm not a cyclist by any means. I fake it really, really well. I think I'm one of the slowest guys in the group, but I do it because one, I love getting out on the road, and two, because we do a whole lot of good for the community. So what I'm gonna ask of you is I'm gonna ask you to make a donation, to give a little bit. And it doesn't matter how much you give. Whatever you have to give is greatly appreciated and goes towards an amazing cause. And of course, every dollar you give, you get a tax receipt for. So that's the icing on the cake just to begin with. But in addition to that, I'm gonna do something that we've never done here. We're gonna give it a try, see what happens. I'm gonna put a link in the description below to my fundraising page. And if you choose to make a donation, I'm going to give you something in return, based on how much you donate. So first and foremost, if you're in the market for a mortgage and you donate $500 or more, I'm gonna give you a $1,000 credit for your mortgage if you get it with Mortgage 360. You can use that for a rate buy down, for legal fees, whatever you want, but $500 will get you twice your money back, and of course you get that tax receipt. If you donate $250 or more, I will give you 15 minutes of my time to ask me any mortgage or real estate related question that you want. I know a lot of people reach out on the website via email all the time asking for free advice. I can't do it for everybody, but in this case, if you want to make that donation, I will absolutely spend some time with you to answer some of your questions, and hopefully you'll get at least 10 to 100 times your money back on that $250 donation. Now, if you donate $150 or more, I will give you access to every single course I have. That's Secrets to Getting the Lowest Interest Rate, the Homebuyer Bootcamp, the Down Payment Challenge, and I'll give you a digital copy of my book, The Mortgaged Millionaire, plus a copy of the Mortgage Secrets book when it comes out. And if you donate $100 or more, I'll give you access to any one of those courses for free. And if $100 or $150 or $250 or $1,000 isn't in the cards, just give what you can. If it's $5, $10, every little bit helps. And my goal is to see by the end of a 5-day period just how much of an impact you guys as a group can make. And I know with inflation, times are tough, so if you can't donate anything, that's fine. Just maybe share the video, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment. Getting the word out has just as much of an impact as actually making those dollar donations. And last but not least, the link in the description below goes directly to the Alberta Cancer Foundation page. So every single dollar goes directly to them. There's no me in the middle of it. It's automatically donated, so you can rest assured that the money has made it. When you do make that donation, what I want you to do, take a screenshot showing that you made the donation, send it to fcancer@mortgage360.ca, and I'll make sure you get hooked up with the corresponding gift. So again, thank you to all of you who have subscribed to this channel, the new viewers, the old viewers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I thank you so much for your help on this journey to fight cancer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit that like button, and we'll see you on the very next video. Cheers.